What's up guys, this is me again, Mark Paragas, and welcome back to another travel vlog. And for a change guys, after Boracay natin, mag-hotel staycation muna tayo. So we are here actually around Mall of Asia and we have a reason para mag-stay dito. Pero syempre, yung reason na yun, mamaya ko na sasabihin, but for sure you're gonna love it. I'm pretty sure you're gonna love it. So syempre, huwag natin patagalin pa. We are going for a 3 days and 2 nights hotel staycation. Dito lang yan sa Microtel by Wyndham Mall of Asia. Ba't ako nakaganito? And by the way, kung naaalala nyo, meron tayong video sa trip by Wyndham Mall of Asia. Sa kabilang dulo yun. This hotel guys is conveniently located sa Coralway Avenue, corner Seaside Boulevard Mall of Asia Complex, Pasay City. And again, kung napanood nyo yung ating hotel staycation vlog sa Trip by Wyndham Mall of Asia, bali si Trip Hotel ay nasa right side ng Mall of Asia, facing the seaside, at ito namang si Microtel Hotel ay nasa left side. Getting to the hotel naman guys, you have a lot of transportation options. Pwede kayong mag-taxi or mag-grab para sa hotel na mismo kayo bababa, or pwede rin kayong mag-bus or jeep at ang baba ninyo ay sa mismong Mall of Asia at lalakarin nyo na lang for about 7 to 10 minutes going to the hotel. Ang maganda dito guys, sa location ng hotel, sa labas pa lang pwede na kayong mag-jogging sa morning, and the fact na may signage na ganito, yung bike lane is a shared lane, and it should be also implemented not only here sa Seaside Mall of Asia but also sa ibang areas, lalo na kung wala naman nagbabike. If you're going to bring your own car naman guys, they have free parking space sa mismong labas ng hotel, but just in case full parking na, you have the options na mag-park sa katabing building, which is yung building ng National University. So kayo muna magsha-shoulder ng parking fee kahit ilang beses kayong maglabas-pasok ng parking, even overnight parking, and then upon checkout sa hotel, you need to present yung mga parking receipt and the hotel will reimburse you for the whole amount. So make sure na i-keep ninyo ang inyong mga parking receipts. Ang reception guys ay nasa ground floor. Ang standard check-in naman ng hotel ay 2 PM at ang standard check-out ay 12 noon. So just in case mapaaga kayo, don't worry kasi you can lounge here and wait sa lobby area. Dito rin guys, sa ground floor ang kanilang restaurant. They serve all-day dining, and dito rin ang inyong breakfast buffet if ever nag-book kayo ng room with breakfast. But just in case gusto ninyong mag-walk-in at matry ang kanilang breakfast buffet, that will be 700 pesos per head. So now, syempre dito tayo sa room natin, we're gonna have a room tour, and I want to introduce you to my baby girl.
And also we're here so we can see the view to the ocean.
Ocean? Okay,
yes.
Let's check. Alright, so yan yung view natin guys, and again, we are here sa Microtel by Wyndham Mall of Asia. So syempre, pag open nyo ng door, ayan palagi ang emergency exit plan or evacuation plan, just in case may emergency, alam nyo kung saan kayo pupunta. Okay? So maganda dito guys is electronic card na rin para mag-trigger yung power, yung electricity, and then yung aircon. Pwede kayo mag-request ng isa pa para pag lalabas kayo, hindi nyo kailangan kunin to. And syempre yung switch. Tapos manual tayo for do not disturb and makeup room. Ayan. So dito guys sa left ko ang toilet and bathroom. So wala siyang door, bali curtain lang yung nagse-separate ng toilet and ng shower. So here we have of course yung shower head bin, and then may libre ng hair and body wash, tapos hot and cold shower, tapos meron din doon manual kung gusto nyo, and then of course yung toilet with bidet, 10 out of 10, and the vanity mirror and the vanity sink. Tapos ang kasama dito may blower, may tissue, may soap, merong dental kit, may towels, and in fairness guys, malinis. And then medyo maluwag, di ba? Okay, so we are done here. So bago yung bed natin guys, so meron sila ditong space for your luggage, for your bags, and then Meron silang fridge, mini fridge. Wala yung laman. And pag may nakita kayong pit shell guys, meaning meron silang water dispenser around the area. When we got out the elevator, nakakita ko ng isang water dispenser. So nice. So hindi nyo na kailangan bumili ng tubig, lalo na kung may baby kayong kasama. So we have the mirror here. And then merong kettle, may libre ng water, may coffee, creamer, sugar, may mugs, tapos may working table, and then we have a cabinet here, which is you can hang your clothes.
Wow!
Then
Wow,
safety deposit box, may dalawang libreng sleeper, may empty drawers, and then merong fire extinguisher for emergency use. And then we have the space here, the couch guys, looking at this view, Manila Bay. That is Manila Bay, baby. Manila Bay. Say it.
Manila Bay.
Manila Bay.
Manila Bay.
Yeah. Good job. And of course, we have the 2 queen size bed. And this room is good for 2 person guys. Libre na yung bata. So, I'm gonna stay here. Then they're gonna stay here. Okay? And yes, bed. Tapos merong aircon, remote for the TV. Merong telephone. Merong alarm, may TV. Ayan. Normally naman hindi namin nagagamit yung TV kapag nag-staycation kami. Kasi most of the movies or series na pinapanood namin sa Netflix. And there. We have the room.
The next day.
So by the way guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa isa pang room na binook ko. So total of 2 rooms kasi binook natin for my family. Tapos nandun sila sa kabila. Sa kabilang room kasi sabi ko, mag-vlog muna ako. Bigyan nyo ako ng time bago kayo magstay dito. So ayan. And same room types lang naman to guys. 2 queen size bed, good for 2 person. And syempre we're gonna discuss more of the room rates na ino-offer dito. Tsaka mga rooms categories na meron si Microtel by Wyndham Mall of Asia. Again guys, itong room na to is 2 queen size bed. Nasa 5th floor tayo. And yung room natin sa kabila is facing Manila Bay. Tapos itong room na to is facing yung kabilang side, which is doon na sa Parañaque na side. Actually, pag nag-stay naman kayo dito, pag nag-stay kayo sa Mall of Asia, maraming mga hotels dito around the area. So guys, syempre i-discuss natin yung mga room categories and room rates na meron si Microtel by Wyndham Mall of Asia para naman pag nagbabalak kayong pumunta around Mall of Asia tapos naghahanap kayo ng hotel, you might consider yung Microtel. So kung sa kabilang side ito ng Mall of Asia is yung Trip by Wyndham Mall of Asia, ito naman sa kabilang side is yung Microtel by Wyndham Mall of Asia. And as far as our stay goes, like yung experience namin so far, okay dito kay Microtel. Lalagay ko, good for 2 adults, overnight stay. Gawin na lang natin Saturday and Sunday kasi most of the time naman, mga tao gusto mga weekend getaway or mga weekend hotel staycation and so on. So bali, meron silang tinatawag na 1 queen bed. So, non-smoking room yon. And yung price guys, ipa-flash ko na lang dito kasi nagbabari yung price niya. Depends sa month siguro. Nag-iiba-iba para at least may idea kayo. So, sasabihin ko na lang yung mga room categories ha. Tapos, yun nyo na lang check sa monitor yung price niya. Kasi pag sinabi ko yung price, tapos biglang nag-check kayo, mas mura pala or mas mahal. Para at least hindi nyo ako ma-quote dyan. Ma-quote, diba? Again, so this is 1 queen bed, mobility accessible room, non-smoking. So, good for 2 adults. And then, by the way pala guys, yung mga room rates na ibibigay natin without breakfast. After that, meron silang 2 queen beds, city view, non-smoking, which is yun yung binook nating room. Katulad nito, ito yung room na yan. Dalawang binook natin. Then after that, meron namang 1 queen bed, non-smoking. Iba pa to dun sa 1 queen bed na sinabi natin nung una, which is parang pang PWD, mobility accessible room. After nun, meron silang tinatawag na 1 queen bed and 1 bunk bed suite sunset view, non-smoking. So, ibig sabihin, ang view nyo is Manila Bay kasi nandun yung sunset. And then, last room is yung 2 queen beds, bay view, non-smoking. So, parang ganito lang din siya, 2 queen beds, pero ang view natin is bay view or Manila Bay. And in fairness guys, as early as now, sasabihin ko na okay dito. By the way, if you are planning to stay here, tapos gusto nyo mag-work from home, mabilis ang wifi nila. Unlike yung trip by Wyndham Mall of Asia, medyo naglalag yung wifi, yung internet. Pero dito guys, in fairness, makakapag-work kayo. And katulad last night, dala ko yung laptop ng company. So dito ako nag-work. And so far, mabilis ang wifi. So I think that's really it for the room tour. And syempre nabigyan ko na rin kayo ng ideas ng mga room categories and room rates na ino-offer dito sa Microtel. So again, if ever nababalak kayo mag-stay around Mall of Asia tapos hindi kayo makapag-decide kung ano yung hotel na gusto nyong pag-stayan, why not consider Microtel Mall of Asia? Okay siya. Syempre after this, magkakaroon tayo ng hotel tour. Lilibutin natin yung hotel, then check natin kung ano pa yung mga amenities and facilities na meron si Microtel by Wyndham Mall of Asia. Let's have a 360 view ng room.
A few moments later.
So guys, nasa 12th floor tayo. And para ma-reach nyo yung swimming pool, kailangan nyo mag-take ng stairs. So, ayan. Dito yung stairs sa may exit. Isang floor lang naman. Ayan.
Making moves like a ninja. I could play it cool like I'm winter. I can make it rain like a cash tsunami. Wanna slip and slide, we can link up. Working all the time, make it duller. Be a student, try to make $1. Wanna live life like I'm on vacation. Gotta get those good vibrations. Glowing so bright, I'm going nowhere. I'm riding high and it's just closer. Loving what I do and I know nothing gets me down, 'cause I can turn it round like wanna have a party, let it all hang out. Come on, let me show you what it's all about. Like I like it better when we all get loud. I feel the goodness all around like I'm feeling good now.
What's up everyone? So, medyo may init. Anyway, nandito tayo sa rooftop deck ng Wyndham by Wyndham. Dito tayo sa lilim. Medyo maaraw. So anyway guys, nandito tayo sa rooftop ng Microtel by Wyndham Mall of Asia. And as you can see yung view natin, ayan. Manila Bay. By the way, may swimming pool sila dito sa rooftop. Tapos you can lounge here. As you can see, merong chairs and tables. Pwede kayo tumambay dito. Ang swimming pool hours is from 7 AM to 9 PM. Syempre guys, we're gonna discuss na yung pinaka main reason natin kung bakit nandito tayo nakastay sa Microtel by Wyndham Mall of Asia. So are you ready guys? And yes, the main reason kung bakit tayo nandito is because the Pyro Musical Competition is back here in MOA. And you heard it right guys. So bali from May 11 hanggang June 8, lahat ng Saturdays from May 11 to June 8, merong Pyro Musical Competition na magaganap dito sa Mall of Asia. And syempre, if you want to get more information, ipopost ko na lang yung pinaka banner na nakita ko. Actually, kalat siya dito kapag magdadayin kayo sa restaurant. Nandun, nakalagay yung Pyro Musical Competition. And again guys, it is back. Kasi dati meron, I think a couple of years ago, meron ditong Pyro Musical Competition. Tapos may 1 year ata, or I don't know kung ilang years, nalipat siya sa Pampanga. And now, finally, it is back here sa Mall of Asia. So, that's the reason kung bakit nandito tayo sa Microtel. Actually guys, kung gusto niyo mapanood yung pinaka Pyro Musical Competition sa mismong Manila Baywalk, may bayad. But instead of magbayad kami, like kasi syempre pupunta pa kami dito para lang manood. From north kami, from Quezon City going here, it will take like 1 hour ride kapag mag-e-EDSA kayo. So syempre, why not magstay na lang tayo sa isa sa mga hotel na malapit dito. And did you know guys na napakita ko naman yung room natin guys. Ang view mismo natin is yung Manila Bay kung saan gagawin yung fireworks. So hindi na natin kailangan magbayad. Though nagbayad tayo ng stay natin dito, pero syempre complete hotel staycation naman. And at the same time, yung view natin sa window is yung mismong pyro musical competition. So that is tonight guys from 7:30 p.m. sa Seaside Boulevard, yan sa Mall of Asia. And again, that's May 11. Mamaya, mag-opening exhibition ay yung Philippines, tapos the Netherlands. Then sa May 18, South Korea versus Australia. Sa May 25, Belgium versus Germany. Sa June 1, Portugal versus China. And sa June 8, yung last is the United Kingdom and the Philippines for the closing exhibition. So yung mga ticket prices niya guys is merong Patron, which is 3,000 pesos. VIP is 800, Gold 500, Silver 200. For the June 8, kasi ito na yung parang pinaka-finale ng Pyro Musical Competition. So yung Patron nila is 3,000, VIP is 1,000, Gold is 600, and Silver is 250 pesos. So bali guys, kapag nag-stay kayo dito sa Microtel by Wyndham Mall of Asia, hindi ibig sabihin nun, may free access na kayo to watch the fireworks competition or the Pyro Musical Competition. So dito sa rooftop nila, actually accessible naman to hanggang 9 p.m. But during those days, or during those weekend na merong Pyro Musical Competition, magko-close siya ng 5 p.m. and then they have an activity or a dinner buffet here mismo sa rooftop ng Microtel. You will have an access to watch yung mismong Pyro Musical Competition all Saturdays yan hanggang June 8. So ang price guys ng buffet nila is 2,000 per head for adult, and pagbata naman guys 3 years old and up, 1,000 pesos. So, and as you can see guys, this is the view sa ating room at napakaganda ng ating view. Kaya hindi na kami nag-avail ng dinner buffet dahil that will be an additional of 2,000 pesos per head on top dun sa binayaran namin when booking the hotel. And I just saw their post guys sa Facebook, from 2,000 pesos magiging 1,850 na lang siya starting May 18 hanggang June 8. If ever guys na magbubook kayo ng hotel with a rooftop deck just to witness yung Pyro Musical Competition, I would suggest na you call them first to confirm, kasi katulad ng experience ko dito sa Microtel, ang alam ko is accessible itong rooftop nila from 7 AM to 9 PM basta in-house guest, and not knowing na bigla silang may pa-dinner buffet just to get to the rooftop, at nalaman ko lang siya upon checking in. So yun lang guys, I'm so excited again, and syempre later on is the Pyro Musical Competition. Actually, tomorrow pa nga tayo eh. Meron pa tayo hanggang bukas. Bukas is Sunday. Meron pa tayong time mag-review. So yun lang guys, and we'll see you later. Tips ko na lang din guys, I thought kasi nung una isasarado yung mga daanan going to the seaside and exclusive lang siya sa mga nagbayad ng ticket. Pero based on my experience, pwede kayong pumunta dito kahit wala kayong ticket and you will still witness pa rin yung Pyro Musical Competition. And did you know guys that I found a place na pwede mo siyang mapanood na nasa higher floor kayo. So pwede kayong pumesto sa may parking lot ng National University, at kung gusto nyo naman ng mas malapit, pwede rin kayo mismong pumesto sa tapat ng SM Mall of Asia, sa likod lang mismo ng mga area na may ticket, and you will witness yung ganitong view.
next day.
Share ko lang din guys na kapag dito kayo around SM Mall of Asia nagstay, you have a lot of food and restaurant options. Dito pa lang sa may Seaside Boulevard merong Buffet 101, katabi niya yung Haydeu Grill Station, and then meron ding La Fiesta Buffet. At dito guys yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na pwede kayong pumesto kahit wala kayong ticket at sobrang ganda ng view. What's up everyone? Good morning, and we are still here sa Microtel by Wyndham Mall of Asia. And again, we stayed here for 3 days and 2 nights. And the main reason why we stayed here ay para mapanood yung the 11th Philippine Pyro Musical Competition na nangyari kagabi, last night. Diyan mismo guys, sa Bayside ng SM Mall of Asia. So bali guys, kasi dun sa banner nila, ang nakalagay is 7:30 PM. So ang ginawa namin, from 7:30 PM, naghintay kami ng 8 o'clock, naghintay kami ng 8:15, wala pa rin. Ang tema, naghihintay kami dun sa view namin, which is dun sa window. Kasi dito sa Microtel, kung gusto mong ma-experience and ma-witness yung Pyro Musical Competition, dito sa mismong rooftop nila, kailangan mo mag-avail ng dinner buffet. Nagkaroon sila ng dinner buffet dito last night. Hindi kami aware na merong ganong parang pa-event, mini-event dito si Microtel. We thought na dito sa hotel, kapag nag-book ka, may free access ka na dito sa rooftop. So siguro, syempre para kailangan nilang kumita, kailangan nilang makipagsabayan sa event na meron dito sa Bayside. So ayun, naglagay sila ng buffet, and hindi ko inakyat kagabi kung ano yung itsura, kung marami bang nag-avail or hindi. Pero kasi doon pa lang sa view, or doon pa lang sa room namin sa 5th floor, kita na actually yung partial view ng SM Bayside, or yung Bayside mismo, or Manila Baywalk. Kaya hindi na kami nag-avail. At saka total of 5 kasi kami, so parang kung mag-avail kami ng dinner buffet, total of 9,000. So ayun, medyo pricey if ever nag-avail kami. And good thing, good thing hindi kami nag-avail guys, kasi ito na nga. So siguro kung may mga like pa-event kayong pinuntahan dito, like may pagkain muna bago kayo manood, like dito dinner buffet nag-start ng 6 o'clock up to 10 PM ata ang dinner buffet, pero ang Pyro Musical Competition kasi 7:30 daw. So ito na nga ang peg. 7:30 PM naghintay na kami doon, nakaupo na kami sa bintana kasi yun yung view namin. 7:45 wala, 8 o'clock wala, 8:15 wala. Tapos kung kailan parang wala na to, parang gano'n kami. 8:30 guys, walang, siguro doon malapit doon sa mismong fireworks may announcement, pero dito kasi hindi mo na maririnig yung background music ng Pyro Musical Competition. Hindi mo na maririnig kasi malayo na. Siguro pag doon ka banda sa may mga bayad na or may mga ticket sa mismong Baywalk, maririnig mo. 8:30 mismo, 8:30 bilang nag-start na. The first one, yung pinaka parang intermission ng Philippines ay lasted for 12 to 13 minutes lang. Maganda yung effects ng fireworks ni Philippines, in fairness naman. Kasi nakuhaan ko yun for the whole video. So sabihin natin nag-start siya ng 8:30, natapos siya ng 8:42. So sunod si the Netherlands. Actually, Philippines and Netherlands yung nag-perform last night. So after ng Philippines, hindi okay na. Wala na ulit guys. Akala namin, parang syempre kung Pyro Musical Competition siya, sunod-sunod, like after Philippines, tapos prepare lang si the Netherlands, then yun na. So 8:45 wala pa, yung second 8:50 wala, 9 o'clock guys wala. So 9:10 wala. Parang bigla siya nag-start guys. Hindi na kami nanood. Sabi namin, ay baka wala na, kasi nakikita namin yung mga tao umaalis na. So, yung mga free yung mga free access sa baba lang. Actually, pwede ka kasi manood sa baba. Umaalis na. So sabi namin, ay baka wala na. Baka may technical issue, mga ganun. Maya siguro mga 9:15 siguro, biglang narinig na lang namin may puputok ulit na fireworks. So yun, biglang binuksan ulit namin yung bintana, then nanood ulit kami, and I got the full video fireworks performance ng the Netherlands. Hindi siya nakakawaw. Baka sabihin nyo, libre na nga, mag-i-inert pa ako. I mean, libreng load na nga, di ba? Mag-i-inert pa ako. Pero dun sa mga nanood, like yung nagbayad talaga ng ticket just to watch parang hindi siya worth it for me. Mahilig ako sa fireworks display. Mahilig ako manood. Kahit even New Year, nagpapaputok talaga ako. Nag-ipon ako ng mga fireworks para magpaputok. Yung mga ganda, fireworks display talaga. Yung siguro yung waiting time, na bored lang kami. So again guys, that's my own experience and review dun sa nangyari. And I know na some of you guys will book a hotel instead of paying yung mga tickets na malapit sa fireworks just to watch yung pyro musical competition. And again, sa mga may free access dyan, like yung nasa hotel lang nanonood, sa labas or sa baba ng hotel nanonood, sa labas or kahit saan pa. Maganda, actually. Maganda yung fireworks display. Medyo matagal, syempre, mga 10 to 15 minutes in between. Patience is virtue. In fairness naman, na-enjoy naman natin yung stay natin dito. Nakapagpahinga tayo na maayos kasi nga staycation ang peg natin. And at the same time, actually addition na lang yung pyro musical competition. So bali, quick review na lang din tayo guys sa Microtel. So the location is okay na okay. Though kasi nandito na yung dito sa Microtel. Paglabas mo Conrad, IKEA, SMX, tapos nasa gitna kasi yung Mall of Asia. So okay na okay yung location. And then may church. Ayan, naririnig ko na yung church guys kasi ngayon is Sunday. Ayan, may mga kainan. Again, may mga amusement rides that your kids will love. And then for the staff, okay naman sila guys. Ang mas namimit ko palagi sa daan is yung mga naglilinis ng room, which is nagigreet naman sila guys. So far so good. And then guys, if you are planning to stay here sa Microtel tapos nag-work from home kayo, you can work here guys kasi mabilis ang internet nila. And also yung swimming pool, syempre. So dito guys, wala silang gym. Ang meron lang dito is pagpasok mo ng hotel is lobby agad, reception, tapos sa gilid ng hotel yung daanan para sa elevator going to your room. And then nasa ground floor din ang parang pinaka-restaurant nila. Wala silang play area for the kids. So yun, so far so good. Okay yung stay namin dito. Hindi naman ako na totally disappointed kasi at the same time, nag-vlog talaga ako para may options kayo na kung anong hotel yung pwede nyong pagstayan pag gusto nyong magstay dito around Mall of Asia. Lalo na ang airport guys, it's like sobrang lapit lang. Siguro mga 15 minutes nasa airport na kayo. O diba, lalo yung mga balikbayan dyan na gusto magstay dito sa Pasay, sobrang lapit ng Microtel. Tapos yung view nyo, and in fairness guys, dito sa part ng Microtel, wala pa masyadong lupa. Nandun pa halos lahat sa may Sofitel. And unfortunately guys, I read some articles na magsasara nga yung Sofitel. Kasi guys, ang dami na nagre-reklamo mga clients at wala na masyado nagbubook sa Sofitel kasi nga ang view nyo, instead of this view, ayan, yun na. Yung kung nakikita nyo maraming lupa. Nakakasad lang but that's the reality and affected sila ng reclamation project. Alright, so that's it guys. I hope na-enjoy nyo yung ating hotel tour and room tour kasama na yung ating pyro musical competition experience. So again, kung first time nyo sa channel ko, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Mark Paragas Official, and hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga upcoming travel vlogs pa natin. More travel, more fun, and enjoy life to the fullest. See you on my next travel vlog. Mama, chup chup.